To reverse a video in CapCut on your mobile device, begin by opening the CapCut application. Once the app is open, select the video you want to edit and wait for it to fully load. If you wish to reverse a specific section of the video, tap on the video and use the split function to isolate the section you want to reverse. After splitting, select the reverse option for that particular segment. If you prefer to reverse the entire video, simply select the video in your preview timeline. Scroll through the toolbar at the bottom until you find the reverse option and tap on it. CapCut will then process the video and reverse it for you. Once the process is complete, play the video to confirm that it has been successfully reversed. This method is simple and efficient. If you encounter any glitches or issues with this feature, follow these additional steps. Exit the CapCut application, then press and hold the CapCut app icon and go to the app info. Force stop the application, then navigate to storage and cache and clear the cache. This should resolve any bugs. Additionally, open the Play Store or App Store, search for CapCut, and check for updates. If an update is available, install it. If not, uninstall and then reinstall the application. This should ensure that CapCut works smoothly and allows you to reverse your videos without any problems.